Hello guys, welcome again to channel Hoa Update Chinese. So continue our lesson for beginner, and today we learn to speak Chinese with easy sentences that we usually use at home, especially when we need to talk to our father or mother about love like that. So let's start our lesson today. Okay, if you have learned with me in the former lesson already, you will see that today we come to review it and learn it again and again. I believe that you will know it well. And our topic today is not about one sentence and one sentence, but we write it in as a topic. So you can use this topic to learn to speak Chinese, and from a little and a little, step by step, you will know how to speak Chinese quickly. So now let's start together. 我是王小华，我是王小华，我是王小华，他是我爸爸，他是我爸爸，他是我爸爸，他是我妈妈，他是我妈妈，他是我妈妈。我爱爸爸妈妈，我爱爸爸妈妈，我爱爸爸妈妈。Don't forget to read along with me. 我是王小华，他是我爸爸，他是我妈妈，我爱爸爸妈妈。Okay, so 我 we have learned already. It means I. 是 if we use with 我 it means am. But if it used with 他 it means is, like that. So it's changeable because we translate it to English. So in English and Chinese we use it different. The word 是 in Chinese we use only one, although it is the subject with I, we, you, they, she, he, it, like that. It's not the same as English. It's only one word. It's easy. I think it's easier, right? Yeah, because we do not need to remember I with am, she, he, it with is, or we, you, they with are, like that. So, yes, Wang Xiaohua is the name. The name Wang Xiaohua. So we do not translate the name. 他 it means he. 是 is. 我爸爸 I told you already here. In fact, we can use 我的爸爸. It's all about my father. But here, because Papa is a person who is very close to us, we omitted the here. We use only 我爸爸 and 我 here it means my. 我爸爸 my father. Okay? 他 she 是 is. 我妈妈 it means my mother. 我爱 the word I it means love. 爸爸妈妈 mom and dad. Dad and mom is the same. Okay? So 我爱爸爸妈妈. Okay? And now learn to translate together. 我是王小华. I am Wang Xiaohua. So you can put your name here when you speak Chinese. 他是我爸爸. He is my father. 她是我妈妈 She is my mother. 我爱爸爸妈妈 I love mom and dad. This is very easy phrase, very easy sentences that you can use in your daily life. After you learn, don't forget to practice speaking. You can learn to talk to yourself, learn to talk to other people like your friends, your family, or you can learn to talk alone. The more you talk, the more you learn, the more you know. And if you really want to speak Chinese, we have to learn step by step, one by one, learn every day and daily, so you will be successful in learning Chinese. It's not very difficult. Although some people say that Chinese writing, Chinese character is very difficult, but for learning speaking Chinese is not very difficult at all. And although it's a little difficult for someone that just study new language, it's okay when study again and again, every day, daily, and never give up. So when you do something, you keep doing it for a long time, you will be successful with that. Thank you everyone. Goodbye. Don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.